Tonight, we have an urgent consumer alert that affects households across the country. The FDA has announced the recall of more than 67,000 cases of Power Stick deodorant. This massive recall involves 3 specific varieties of Power Stick roll-on antiperspirant deodorant, all in 1.8-ounce sizes. These products were sold nationally at Dollar Tree, Walmart, and Amazon, making it likely that you or someone you know may have purchased one. We urge everyone to check their bathrooms, travel bags, and medicine cabinets right now. The recall was triggered by what the FDA calls CGMP deviations, violations of current good manufacturing practices that ensure product safety and quality. These regulations are like a fundamental rule book for companies making products that affect your body, ensuring they're made with quality, purity, and safety. When manufacturing rules aren't followed, the risks include bacterial contamination, incorrect ingredient amounts, or unknown substances in the product. This could lead to skin infections, rashes, chemical burns, or serious allergic reactions, especially on freshly shaved skin. If you have any Power Stick roll-on deodorant, stop using it immediately. Even if you haven't experienced problems, the manufacturing flaws make the product unreliable. Check the lot number on the bottom of your container against the FDA's official recall list, or when in doubt, treat any 1.8-ounce Power Stick roll-on as recalled. Return the product to where you bought it for a full refund. Most retailers are prepared to handle recalled items, even without a receipt. For Amazon purchases, log into your account and follow their return process, or contact customer service for recalled product instructions. If you've used these products and experienced rashes, irritation, or infections, contact your healthcare provider immediately. Your health is the top priority. Report your experience to the FDA's MedWatch program. This helps track unsafe products and protects other consumers from potential harm. Protect yourself from future recalls by regularly checking recalls.gov, the government's one-stop shop for safety alerts on everything from food to consumer goods. When shopping, inspect packaging for tampering, check expiration dates, and trust your instincts if something seems off. By staying informed, being a vigilant shopper, and knowing how to respond to recalls, you become an active participant in your own safety and well-being. Use this recall as an opportunity to build safer habits for your entire family, ensuring you can use personal care products with confidence and peace of mind.